All right, well, welcome to everyone, and thank you for joining us here at now the 6th Annual Spinal Deformity Symposium. I can't believe we're already 6 years into this process, and I want to first of all acknowledge our sponsors. We had a platinum sponsor this year from Spinal, and we had a number of gold sponsors, including DePuy Synthes, Globus, Medtronic, C-Spine, and Stryker. I particularly want to thank our 9 faculty. We've got kind of a mix of faculty presentations today, some on-site live, and others that were unable to travel to Seattle because of the ongoing restrictions due to COVID, but certainly want to acknowledge all of the faculty for the efforts they've made to participate. And all of the participants online and here in person can use the instructions for claiming the CME credit that'll appear at the end of the conference in the chat box and as a final slide. And please stay tuned until the end for that information. And finally, I want to make sure that everyone is aware this course will be recorded and is going to be put onto the SSF YouTube website.